Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. The Christmas holidays are almost here. They bring back childhood memories of one yummy delicacy. I am talking about food for the gods, the tasty candy bar that is moist and chewy on the inside and crisp and firm on the outside. It is so rich and decadent thanks to its lavish ingredients of dates, walnuts, and molasses. Nowadays, recipes are readily accessible so that we can do it homemade easily. Today, we are sharing Grandpa D's version of the heavenly food for the gods in a cup. Traditionally, food for the gods is baked in a pan and cut into bars. But Grandpa D's version will make use of baking cups to make cupcakes. We start by chopping the walnuts. Next, we chop the dates. In a mixing bowl, we combine brown sugar, butter, and molasses. Mix them until well blended. Then we add the eggs one at a time. Whisk briskly until the mixture is smooth and completely incorporated. Add the baking powder, then the baking soda. Add the flour gradually, but do not overmix. Add in the walnuts and fold. Fold in the dates until completely combined. Use ice cream scoop to make evenly sized cupcakes. Smooth out top layer before putting into the oven. Let's see what's inside our cupcake. OMG! Lots of dates and walnuts. Yummy! It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Let it snow. This is the time for gift giving. Food for the gods, anyone? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for upcoming videos.